Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Cash App account step by step. Before deleting your account, make sure your Cash App balance is zero. If you have money in your account, the cash out and transfer it to your bank or debit card. You won't be able to delete your account if there is money left. Open the Cash app on your phone, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. This opens your account setting. Scroll down and tap support, then tap something else. Next, choose your account setting. Tap close account or delete account. Read the information on the screen, then tap confirm. Make sure to be asked to verify your identity or confirm by email. Once confirmed, your Cash App account will permanently delete. You will receive a confirmation message or email. Deleted account cannot be recovered. Your cash tag becomes unused available. You will need a new Gmail or phone number to create another account. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.